Hi everyone, Asperger Sadie from Twitter here, or you can follow me on my website www.ihaveaspergers.webs.com. As you may know, I have Asperger's. I'm 22 years old, and I was diagnosed when I was in about 10th grade, and when I was like 15 or 16 years old. Basically, Asperger's is a form of autism, and so if you don't know what that is, it's sort of like it's a bunch of different things, combined into one. For this video, I wanted to explain to you what it means when I put my hands over my ears like that. Basically, for me, it means because I do that because some sounds actually really hurt my ears, and it feels like painful. Or because I'm being too overstimulated by, so much stuff coming in, and I have to calm myself. So the other day, I was trying to process a lot of information, and then someone started, yelling, and then someone tried to talk to me, and it was just too much, and I had to put my hands over my ears like that. So the thing is, I want people to know that I'm not doing it to be disrespectful or say, no, I'm not going to listen to you, blah, 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 blah. I'm actually trying to do it to make it so that I won't be disrespectful by, yelling back or going into a meltdown, and I don't want to do that. So I'm trying to keep it from getting to the point where I'm so overwhelmed that I can't handle it. And so by doing this, I'm blocking out one form of, of stimulation that would be coming in, which would be sound. It may also be, for some people, I'm not sure, but I think it might be a form of self-stimulation. So I don't want to rule that out. But that's basically what I'm doing when I cover my hands when I cover my ears like that. And so yeah, you can follow me on Twitter at AspergerSadie, or you can visit my website www.ihaveaspergers.webs.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.